Welcome to your InfoTech channel. So for more updates, please subscribe my channel. The last video session we discussed about move tool and marquee selection tool. So in this video session, I would like to explain Lasso Tools. So let me open this Photoshop. So in this session, you see this Lasso tool. The Lasso tool shortcut for this one is L. The Lasso tool we have again two hidden tools is there. One is polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. So first of all, what is meant by lasso tool? Lasso tool is nothing but in order to draw the freehand selection around an object. In order to draw a free-form hand selection around an object is nothing but lasso tool. So using this lasso tool, we can draw the selection with free hand. And polygon lasso. Polygon lasso tool is nothing but it will give the straight line. It will give straight line for an object. If you draw a path around an object, it will give the straight line. That is nothing but polygon lasso tool. And magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is if you draw the path around an object, it will stick onto the edges. The magnetic lines will be stick to the edges. So that is the use of this magnetic lasso tool. So let me take an example here. So I told you that opening of an image is 7 ways. So first thing, go to this file, click on this control board, which will show the opening of a file here. You select the file, click on this open. So this is one thing. So now after importing image into the Photoshop, just double click on this one, layer get unlock. So this is the first thing, and one more thing also there. So go to the source file, drag this image, and you can place it in the Photoshop. So this is another method, and double click on this one, layer get unlock, and just remove this one here. And next, so go to this image, right click on this one and open with Photoshop. So this is another method, and one more method also there. Go to this file, click on this place option, select this image, click on this place here. Now if you want to release this mask, just click on this enter in the keyboard. Now we place one image here like this. So I just remove this child image. Now double click on this one, layer get unlock. I'll make a copy here. Copy of this image. So there are several methods to copy of this layer here. Right click on this one, click on this duplicate layer, and it will ask for the name. So you can write layer 1 and click on this OK. And I'll just remove this one here. The first thing, if you want to duplicate this one, right click, duplicate layer. And you can also do one thing. So select this move tool, hold the Alt button in the keyboard, hold the Alt button. You can drag this one here. Now look at this. Hold the Alt button, you can drag here. Not only this one, we can also drag. Hold the Alt button, you can also drag like this. Like you can also duplicate this one. Hold Alt in the keyboard, drag the image, you get a copy here. First duplicate, next hold the Alt button, drag the image. And one more method also there. Control A, it will select whole selection. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Now look at this one. I'll make a copy. This is one method, and one more method also there. So use Control J. Look at this. So I'll get the shortcut here. To duplicate the layer, we use right click, on a layer and select duplicate option. Select duplicate layer. And next we have use Control plus J. This is one method. And use press Alt in keyboard and drag an object. Like this. So like this, we can copy up the images. We can copy up the layers. So many ways. So go to this Photoshop. Now I'll make a copy. I use Control J in the keyboard. I'll make a copy of here. Layer 0 copy. Next, I'll just hide this original layer. I'll just hide the original layer. Now select this lasso tool. So I told you that lasso tool is a freeform hand selection around an object. Look at this. Just draw with a free hand selection around an object. Like this. See, after draw the path, it is automatically select the path here. Now you can select the path. You can use Control C, Control V. Now select this move tool. Look at this. Like this, you can cut the images. You can cut the images here using this lasso tool. So lasso tool is nothing but in order to draw the freeform hand selection around an object. Next, polygon lasso. Use the polygon lasso tool, which will give the straight lines. Here. So you have to draw the path. So it is automatically selecting the path. Next you can see Control C, Control V. Select this layer 0. Make sure that selection will be in the layer 0. Control C, Control V. I'll just remove this one. Now look at this. So this is nothing but magnetic lasso. And coming to this layer 0, next we have magnetic lasso. See, magnetic lasso tool is nothing but if you draw the path around an object, so the edges will be stick onto the object. Look at these edges. So automatically edges will be stick to the object. It's very easy to select the whole object. It will give this perfect shape here. Now you can draw this one here. It will stick onto the edges. Like this. See, after draw the path, see, it is automatically selecting the path here. Now select this layer 0. I use this Control C, Control V. Now select this move tool. You can move this one. Look at it. See, like this, we can cut the images using this lasso tool. So using this lasso tool, we can draw the freeform hand selection around an object. It makes an object transparent manner. And also polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool is in order to draw the straight line edges around an object. And magnetic lasso tool is nothing but if you draw the path around an object, the edges will be stick to the path will be stick onto the edges. So that's about these tools. In coming up session, we'll see this fix selection tool, magic one.